Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Today in this video, we're going to see how to get a custom crosshair on Fortnite Crosshair V2. Step 1. Download Crosshair V2. Visit the Epic Games Store to download Crosshair V2 for free and install the application on your PC. Step 2. Configure Crosshair V2. Open Crosshair V2 and launch Fortnite. In Crosshair V2, select your preferred crosshair style, color, and size. Next, position the crosshair overlay to align with your Fortnite gameplay. Step 3. Adjust the Fortnite settings. Set Fortnite to windowed full screen mode for optimal performance with Crosshair V2. Ensure that Fortnite's in-gameplay crosshair is visible to avoid overlap. Important note: using third-party software like Crosshair V2 may be against Fortnite's terms of service. Always check the latest guidelines to ensure compliance and avoid potential penalties. Feel free to share your experience or ask questions in the comments below. Happy gaming!